Hey folks, I am delighted to announce that our next Vision to Victory Leadership Accelerator will launch the week of August 18th. Now, we've already had some tremendous breakthroughs and wins in our current cohort, and this next cohort is promising to be just as powerful. It's amazing because a third of the seats are already spoken for. This will likely be the final cohort for 2025 as we gear up to get ready for 2026. Now, there's no time like the present to really focus in on becoming a more impactful and effective leader. If you've been on the fence or if you've been only curious about what it is we do inside the cohort, what it is that we create, and what is the value we're building, then I'd encourage you to just complete this form. Let's schedule a time to chat and really understand what we can do to take your leadership to the next level. Now, I'll be real clear. This is not about fluff and it's not about just content. We firmly believe that the ability to influence and impact others is dependent on your ability to lead yourself. And so the Vision to Victory Accelerator starts with exactly that. And that weaves through the entire 12-week cohort. Lead yourself first, and therefore create impact, influence, and opportunity for others. If you're curious, click below, grab some time to chat. And if you're ready to commit, go ahead and reserve your slot. Be happy to see you inside. This will absolutely sell out. If you're looking for a strong leadership operating system, the time and space to install it, and a cohort to do it with, this is your opportunity. See you inside.